Alright guys, so red black again. There's rattling noise that comes from my car when I go over bumps, and it comes from the right side. And the way I figured it out where it's coming from, go under and see if I hit this spot. So, see that rattling noise? If I hit this side, there's no sound. If I hit this side, there, it's more apparent now. See the rattling noise? And this side there's nothing. So yeah. Okay, so I removed the rear tire and now the coil is more apparent. Well, actually the problem. And as I hit it DJ, you can see the spring move. This one right here, that's making the noise. See how it's broken because of rust? So thank you, rust. I gotta remove that piece and rattling will be gone. Okay, so I was able to kinda push that metal piece. So there are these holes under here, and if I stick my screwdriver, you can see that's the piece. And basically, that's the culprit. So I gotta somehow take this out, maybe using a needle nose plier. Yeah, I'll try that. All right, so finally the the problem is out. So this metal piece, it broke off of the spring, coil, whatever you want to call it, and this was making the noise. It was touching here, and I mean now there's no sound. Now the question is, should I replace this coil? Because definitely it's missing this piece. So this piece was actually lying here like that. And what do you know, rust can do a lot of damage. So in case you have rattling noise when you go over bumps, come from the rear I guess, and you go to a mechanic and they tell you it's gonna cost $500 or whatever, just check it yourself first. You know, it's not that hard. So if you guys want me to make a video on how to replace this coil, let me know in your comments. Subscribe, and I'll definitely make a nice video for you guys on how to replace these coil. All right, so let me know. And the brightness on this phone just went way higher. Okay, now it's better. Yeah.